With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question is a smooth sphere of mass capital M moving with velocity small u directly collides elastically with another sphere of mass small m at rest. After collision, their final velocities are capital V and small v respectively, and we have to find the value of small v, and these are the given options we have. Okay, now we know that for an elastically for an elastic collision, the momentum and the kinetic energy of the particles remains conserved, okay, before and after collision. So initially we had a mass of capital M which was moving with velocity u, and after collision, okay, and a small mass with velocity 0, and after collision we got the velocities of the capital M particle B, capital V, capital V, and for small m particle it was small v. Okay, let me write this clearly. We have here capital V for the capital M mass. Now, first of all, we can apply the law of conservation of momentum here. So, by which we can get the initial momentum was m into u plus small m into 0, and this must be equals to m into v plus m into v. Okay, so from here I can write the value of capital V will be given as equals to m into u minus m into v divided by capital M. Okay, let this be question number 1. Next we can apply the law of conservation of kinetic energy. Okay, so that will give us the initial energy was half into m u square, okay, plus 0 as the particle of small mass m was at rest, equals to half into m v square plus half into this is m v square. Okay, now we can write first of all we can cancel out the term 1 by 2, and we can put the value of capital V, okay, by equation 1. So we will get mu square equals to m into, we will get V value. If I put here, I will get mu minus mv divided by capital M whole square plus mv square. So here we will get mu square equals to, we will get in the numerator mu minus mv whole square whole divided by, see, it will become m square, and this m and m will cancel out and we will be left with m only plus mv square. Now we can take the LCM. So we will get here m square u square is equals to, I am opening the square term, so we will get m square u square plus small m square v square minus 2m m u v plus m v square. Okay, so into capital M also. So this we can cancel out, right? Further we can cancel out the small m term, and we will be left with 0 equals to mv square minus 2 capital M u into v plus m v square. Okay, so from here we can cancel out the velocity term also once, and we will be left with 2m into u equals to mv minus plus mv. So from here we can write the velocity v will be equals to 2mu divided by m plus capital M. So this is the answer here. Now from the given options, okay, so see, we have to make some alteration according to the options. So we can take here 2m times into u, we can take capital M common from the denominator, and we will be left with 1 plus small m over capital M. Okay, so from here we can cancel out m, and we will find the value of v equals to how much, 2u divided by 1 plus small m over capital M. So this is the final answer, and from the given options we have A, B, C and D. Option D is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.